Good morning, everyone. Today we will be going to Coban, Guatemala. Today we should have been going to Samuk Chapney, the very famous lake, but of course we had to change our plans. But yeah, since I messed up yesterday, we got to continue riding and not enjoy our day off for some reason. Like, I don't see why we just can't get close to the place and then, I don't know, man. It is what it is, but I'm pretty sad that we won't be able to see Samuk Chapney, because it's a really beautiful place, and that's what I was most excited about this trip, aside from visiting El Salvador, of course. But I guess day 9 gives me even more footage for you guys. My stitches are healing up pretty good as well. Yesterday I was bleeding so much afterwards, which I read was pretty normal, and it wasn't like just my blood, it was like the anesthesia or whatever, or the numbing pain that they gave me. But now it's calmed down a lot. I'm not bleeding like crazy. Then my left hand isn't that beat up. It is pretty bruised. Like my palm area is pretty bruised. It was kind of hard to sleep yesterday because I could not get comfortable, and even when I did, it would just last for like 2 hours. So I was waking up every 2 hours because either my leg or my arm would just fall asleep, and instead of shifting with one finger, I got to shift with 4 so that I don't get pain in my hand. But it's all good, man. It could have been a lot worse. I could have had fractures in my hand or fucking glass all up in me. At least I'm still able to ride and tell the story. Whoa, 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 what happened up here? Oh, damn. It's like someone crashed. Cemetery. Fuck no. Oh no. I'm staying to the right side as possible. Here we're close to the Belize border, where it's literally this line right here, I think. Oh hell no, that shit looks sketchy. That is so sketchy. Whoa. Hey yo. I just realized there's a kid on the back of that. That kid is wildin'. Don't do it, kid. Don't do it. You have so much to live for. Yo, this right here is a prime example of ride your own ride. I don't know why I didn't just go over those little speed bumps, but man, it's one of those like last minute options or last minute decisions. But like, what the hell? Why did I do that? And I'm so happy I recorded this because I can look back and I'm like, why would you do that? So one thing I want to point out is that we came across so many towns, and at the start of every town there's like a street cop there, like as you guys saw in the beginning. There's always a street cop at the beginning of every town that we came across, which I found very interesting. But yo, I enjoyed coming through these towns. Like, there was no other way around it, which is cool and all. But I just enjoyed it, like, to see the amount of people there were, you know, the different stands, the way that each business or store there, or even the buildings were like next to each other, and the whole setup and whatnot. But we were actually making a stop at this Honda just to get a different mirror, because we needed to replace the mirror. Sí, ahí está el gringo. Comunidad Social. The hell is that? Well, that place I just I butchered the name from. It's Comedor Social. It's pretty much a food shelter for people to get food. I guess clothes too. But it was interesting to know that there was one of those in this town because that was the first place I've seen like that in all of Guatemala, which was cool. An outdoor gym area. Another town. Why look like a tornado's forming? Fuck. I'm getting sleepy, man. I gotta stay awake. Yo, I really need to experience what it's like to be on the back of a pickup truck with a whole lot of people in the back. But yo, I wonder what, it looks like they were making a street down there or something. It's like, yo, these people, we were going up a hill here, but we were coming back down, and yo, that is insane having that many people. And oh my god, bro, this is like the fourth dog or animal that tried to take me out. For some reason my mic cut out here, but yo, look at the big cemetery. It's insane. Jesus Christ, yo. Yo, today was a bunch of close calls. I'm not gonna lie. And there's the cows that we saw earlier. Yo, I swear these people were having a date. There was a table in the back of that truck. A table. And just two people sitting there. I am convinced they were having a date. That's an experience right there. Like, look at that. They're just holding the table. That's so funny. Yo, let me tell y'all something. This is scamming at its peak. There's two people just doing nothing, yo, and they're asking for money because they're filling up potholes, quote unquote potholes that they make. And you know why they make them? Because watch this next clip. Watch. So we came upon some kids, right? And they were asking for money. And yo, we didn't give them money this time because we gave the first guy money. But oh my god. Hold on, wait for it. Just wait for it. Like, this kid is just picking at the street. Like, yo, you're making things worse. Stop. Get some help. So in this last bit, we came upon some very interesting red bark trees. I felt like I was in Canada at this point. It was very nice. And I'm cold. Whew. Park Hotel. All right. This is how we're looking. Nice looking bathroom. Nice. This is the first time we got 3 beds. It's pretty dark in here because the lighting situation kind of sucks here. But got a really nice view. Really nice view. It's really nice. And this park, or this hotel, is big as hell. Anyways, I'm gonna rest and see you guys next time. Peace out.
Was it all in vain? My world revolved around you now. It's trapped inside the pain.